Testing of Hyundai HGN32 air circuit breaker. The basic settings were requested by the customer. At first, we perform a manual trip. Then, a UVT trip. Next, we perform a short time delay test and we see that the breaker trips almost instantly. Lastly, we perform a long time delay test and after about 60 seconds, the air circuit breaker trips. It is now clear that the HGN32 air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.